Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we are going to learn about wild animals. Wild animals live in forests, jungles, or mountains, and they find their own food. We will learn about 6 amazing animals: the lion, tiger, elephant, bear, wolf, and fox. Listen carefully to understand how each animal behaves and what makes it special. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. It is a powerful and brave animal. Lions live together in groups called prides. The male lion has a thick mane of hair around its neck, which makes it look strong. Lions hunt other animals for food and protect their pride from danger. They are fearless and represent courage and leadership. The tiger is one of the largest cats in the world. Its orange fur with black stripes makes it easy to recognize. Tigers are strong hunters and prefer to live alone. They hide and wait before jumping on their prey. Tigers are found in forests and grasslands. Their loud roar can be heard from far away. The tiger stands for power and confidence. The elephant is the biggest land animal on Earth. It has large ears, a long trunk, and strong tusks. Elephants use their trunk to eat, drink, and communicate. They are very intelligent and can remember places and people. Elephants live in herds led by the oldest female. They are peaceful and kind-hearted creatures, known for their love and loyalty to their family. The bear is a large and powerful animal that lives in forests and mountains. It has thick fur to keep it warm. Bears eat both plants and meat. During the cold winter months, bears go into a deep sleep called hibernation. They wake up when the weather becomes warm again. Bears are calm animals, but they can be very strong when they need to protect themselves. The wolf is a smart wild animal that lives and hunts in groups known as packs. Wolves communicate by howling, which helps them call other members of the pack. They are great team players and always hunt together. Wolves are strong, loyal, and can travel long distances without getting tired. They are a symbol of cooperation and unity. The fox is a small and clever animal with reddish-brown fur and a bushy tail. It is very quick and can move silently through the forest. Foxes hunt small animals at night when it is quiet and dark. They use their sharp hearing to find food. The fox is known for its intelligence, curiosity, and ability to survive in many kinds of environments. Now let's review what we learned about wild animals. The lion is brave and lives in a pride. The tiger is strong and hunts alone. The elephant is gentle and very intelligent. The bear sleeps during the cold winter. The wolf works as part of a pack. And the fox is clever and quick. Each one is different in its own special way. Let us go through some important words from this lesson. The word jungle means a thick forest. A pride is a group of lions. A herd is a group of elephants. Hibernation means a long winter sleep for animals like bears. A pack is a group of wolves. Adaptability means the ability to adjust to different environments. These words will help you talk more clearly about animals. Excellent work! You have learned about 6 wonderful wild animals: the lion, tiger, elephant, bear, wolf, and fox. You also learned new English words and their meanings. Keep practicing pronunciation and try to make simple sentences about these animals. In the next lesson, we will explore more creatures from nature and continue building your English learning journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.